Hello and welcome to the Cat Coder. Today I'm going to show you our submission system. Of course, this is not the current contest, but a small one-level challenge that you can find in the Cat Coder. Up here you will find the level description. It will tell you everything you need to know to complete the level. In the middle you enter your solutions, but be aware you will be penalized for every single failing test, so enter them one at a time and check them if they're right before entering all at the same time. Once they're correct, they are locked in. After all tests are green, you are asked if you want to submit your code. Doing so will award you 2 bonus minutes in the scoring, and then the next level is automatically started. So, to summarize, 1 penalty minute for each wrong test, 2 bonus minutes for providing your source code per level. Good luck!